Okay, so I'm Steffen Hoernig from the Nova School of Economics and Business in Lisbon. I'm here today for the first block of the annual training in communications at the FSR. And I've just given a lecture about the relevant markets, which is the list of markets that national regulatory authorities have to analyze, have to see who has significant market power and impose remedies. And essentially the topics that I went through were the different markets, the meaning of the framework, its history and its future evolution, and the kind of problems that regulators usually face in doing this. I've also talked about two-sided markets, which are markets in which essentially you have one platform in the middle and then consumers on one side, consumers on the other side. The way these markets need to be analyzed by regulators and competition authorities is very different. Kind of standard intuitions about one-sided market, about pricing powers, about abusive pricing, about the definition of markets is different, and that needs to be understood. Later on today, I will also talk about the actual market analysis process in the different markets and specific cases of markets that have been analyzed over time. Issues that have come up there, for example, involve cases where joint dominance, that is, power by multiple operators to behave independently of the rest of access seekers, consumers, and so on, is an issue. This has proved very hard to show by national regulatory authorities. Another issue I'm going to talk about is bundles. Now we see more and more telecommunications markets where operators sell together the services of broadband, TV, voice provision. This also needs some new thinking about what the markets actually are, which are the players, which are the market failures, the potential ones, which kind of access obligations should be designed for that. I'm also going to talk about over-the-top services, that is services which are now introduced over broadband, which supplant the services that network operators previously provided. All these are issues that are shaping the regulatory discussion right now and in the near future. And I hope, well, I'll be able to have a good discussion with students about all these issues, and I'm happy to be here and talk to you.